I received for my review this RGB 7-inch headlight set for my Jeep, and I'm super excited because it was just installed. Full disclosure, I did not install the fog lights because I do have a kind of a different customized bumper that has square fog lights, but everything works seamlessly. The install took about 20 minutes. You just have to follow the instructions. It's a 6-step process. It's pretty simple. Now, it is to be noted, I installed, if you see right there, there is kind of the brain inside, and I put it behind the grill right there. But most people will put it next to the fuse box, and that can be very, very easy to install and to secure. I just secured it on the grill. It works fine. It is IPX68 approved, so that means it is waterproof. Clearly, you would need this to be waterproof because it sits outside on your Jeep. And as you can see, my favorite part, the lights are not on. And once you turn on your car, the actual halo has 16 million different colors, obviously through the RGB and on both sides. And the really cool thing about this is that it comes with an app. As soon as you install it, that little brain that controls everything will be controlled right there. So if I want to go and just color pick, I can color pick, and look at that. I'm gonna go to purple right there, and it's purple. And that's normal purple. I didn't choose a scene because there's over 16 different scenes that I can actually choose from. So right now I'm just choosing colors. So blue, clearly my Jeep is blue, that'd be great. A little yellow. But if I go into modes, then I have a bunch of different scenes that I can toggle from. And then there's animation, and I can decide how quickly or how flashy I want the animation to be. Different colors, I can do dual colors. I can do 6, 7, 8 different colors, and it will animate throughout. It is, like I said again, extremely easy to use. And one of my favorite parts, and I keep on saying that because there's so many different favorite parts, is check this out when I use the indicator. This is what it does when it's using the indicator. So if my lights are on, and I'll turn them on really, really quickly, you see the halo kind of like indicated. So safety feature, 100% available. And check this out, beautiful power. And this is my high beam. And of course, as you can see, you can still see the indicator. Of course, at night, right now we're in daylight, and we will show you nighttime what it actually looks like. It is gorgeous.